Hey everybody, Adam here and welcome back to another episode of the Dad of All Trades channel. Today, we are going to be unboxing a 3.5 foot inflatable pig that I purchased at Walmart. Now, if you're new to the channel, we do unboxings of random things. I know you all like the inflatables, so I have another one we're going to do after this. But if you're new to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button because you never know what we're going to post. Like I said, inflatables, airsoft, how-to stuff. Just keep watching, and you never know what's going to pop up on the channel. But today, last night, we went to Home Depot and purchased this inflatable pig. 3.5 foot LED, another glare is bad, pig. Apparently it self-inflates, which I guess means just has a fan in it. And ground stakes and tether included, so that'll be handy. Shows us kind of a scale, not super tall. We have other things too. This is indoor outdoor. Some other inflatables about this size probably that we'll be inflating too in a different video. I already have one of them up on my channel, so guys, check that one out. A lot of people are checking it out and they really enjoy it, so check that out too. That was last year or the year before, but we're going to do another one this year. So it just kind of says safety warnings, remove all plastic bags and tags and things. Instructions: carefully remove product from package, zip up air blown. I don't know what that means. I guess zip up this thing. Plug cord from decorative piece into wall outlet, secure tethers and stakes. So that's the box. Pretty cool. Let's open her up. No tape, so it opens pretty easy. Guess I have a herd of elephants upstairs. Just ignore the background noise. Pretty standard stakes. 3 of them, 4 of them, and the tethers. I'll show you how to stake these things up. This is the plug unit. And this is what you plug the cord into, and you plug this into the whatever tent stake, or not stakes, but little power stakes that you get, or straight into an extension cord or the wall. Instructions, pretty self-explanatory. I said right now we're just gonna unbox this bad boy. So here's the cord. This little screw thing right here plugs in, can only go one way. If you can see, it's got the D shape there. So this can only go in one way with 2 prongs. I say one way, okay, yeah, one way. Get it lined up good. Press it in. Screw it down good and tight. And that's on there. I don't know why they don't do that for you or why it's not one piece, but that's what you get. And then the pig. So first off, that's the whole box, all empty. Throw the instructions back in there in the box. Trash. Other little trash. And now we got the pig. Plastic bag, throw this away. Recycle whatever you do. Here's the pig. Now it's got some weight in the bottom. It's got the fan. It has a zipper. I don't know what's in the zipper. Just the fan, I guess, and the weight. If you ever want to take it out or add to it. But we don't need to. And then the pig. And that's a Christmas pig. And that's it. Now here's a big bow. I hope it inflates too. But there you have it, guys. This is what's in the Christmas pig. We will inflate them. I said, you got your stakes, you get your cord, and your pig. So he's 3 foot tall, 3.5 foot. Should be good. So guys, stay tuned. We'll take this outside and we will blow him up, and I'll show you kind of how to stake him down. So keep watching, guys. All right, guys. Sorry about the traffic noise, but we're outside, so it is what it is. Here's our pig, 3.5 feet of him, or her, whatever. Him probably, because we got a bow. On my extension cord, we're gonna blow it up. Right now, this is not tied down, so it may just lay over. Oh man, that's a fat one. Well, luckily there's no wind today. And like I said, kind of laying over because it's not staked down. But that's our pig. So guys, I'm gonna show you real quick, just kind of briefly how we stake them down. So let me get that kind of set up and we'll get right back to you. Timber. All right, guys. Now, call me crazy, but they give you 2 strings and they give you 4 stakes. And this is the same case with each of these kind of inflatables I've gotten from like Walmart and now Home Depot. I can't pick them off the ground. 4 stakes, 2 strings. Now, if you take this inflatable, I see. Anyways, you need to have 4 points on the ground to keep this thing straight up and down. Now, if you just go straight to the side with one, straight to the side with the other, and the 2 on the bottom, just hook them to the ground, this thing can still flop forward and backwards. So it doesn't make sense to me to do that. The way that I like to do it, so that it stands up straight every time, as long as the base isn't moved, which there's not really a reason to move the base, is tie a loop in the other end of the string. Now for that, you can do this pretty easily. Just double it over and do an overhand loop. You know, you're not, see, pull it tight. That way, we can use the 2 stakes up top. I'll do the same thing on this other one. Like I said, we just double it over. And I like to tie a loop. Feed it through. Now you have a loop. And this will hook the stake. Okay, so that being said, we take our 2 stakes, we'll take one of the strings, and we come to this side. He has loops on his sides. And he has some down here, but we're not worried about those. We want these. What we're gonna do is open the loop, feed the string through it, just like that. What we can do is feed it through again to lock it in place. Now we got the same length, basically. So what we'll do is feed the stake through over here. And we'll tie them up. And we will do the same back here. Stake, straighten them up, and pull it kind of tight. That way one side is done. Now, we will repeat on the other side. I know it's kind of far away. We'll bring the camera up closer and I'll show you on this one, on this side. All right, so like I said, we'll go back through here. Go halfway and we'll double it through. That'll kind of lock this thing in place. Now we got the same links. So I'm just feeding it through this little hole right here in this thing. Put that one to the into the ground. And then back here, feeding this through this loop, pulling it tight. And voila. Stand them up good. Now our pig will raise up straight every time. And as you can see, wind ain't gonna get them. So, sorry about the camera work here. Let's unplug them. I'll lay them down and then we'll blow them up one more time. So guys, keep watching. And there you have it. Pig standing up. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. This pig, he looks good. So far, no complaints. So if y'all want to pick him up, you know, be my guest. Well guys, like I said, I appreciate it. Keep watching, like, share, subscribe. Follow on Instagram at the official Dad of All Trades. I really appreciate it. And y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.